Okay, dear students, let us see the last problem on diagonalization of real symmetric matrix. This is the problem we are having. Diagonalize the matrix A, that is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 2 5. Write down the matrix A and then CH equation. So A minus lambda is equal to 0 means this is the CH equation we are having. Solve that one. You are going to get the equation like this: lambda square minus 7 lambda plus 6 is equal to 0. So therefore the eigenvalues of this matrix are lambda is equal to 1 and lambda is equal to 6. Now let us try to find the eigenvectors corresponding to lambda is equal to 1. You take that as x1, capital X1 is equal to x1, x2 be the eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda is equal to 1. So write down this equation: A minus lambda into x1 is equal to 0. So the matrix A is 2 minus 2 minus 2 5. So A minus lambda means 1 here, so A minus 1i we get. So subtract 1 from the diagonal element, so you will get A minus 1i as 1 4 in the diagonal elements, remaining elements same, into x1, that is x1 x2 is equal to 0. I have to make this element 0, therefore this is the row operation I am doing. So with that this matrix reduces to 1 minus 2 0 0, x1 x2 is equal to 0. As usual, r is equal to 1, n is equal to 2 and so on. So reduced equation you write down. Reduced equation is x1 minus 2 x2 is equal to 0. First you call that as equation 1. So you substitute x2 is equal to k, therefore we get x1 is equal to 2k. Therefore the eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to 1 is x1 is equal to 2k, k. Taking k common we get matrix, this column matrix 2 1. This is the eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda is equal to 1. In the next slide you calculate the eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda is equal to 6. The eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda is equal to 6, you take that as x2 be the eigenvector, x1 x2 be the eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda is equal to 8. Sorry, here it becomes 8, so it should be 6. Make it correct. Here the eigenvalue as turns out to be 8. It is not 8, it is 6. Make it correct. Therefore substituting the value of lambda 6 here, so we get A minus 6i into x2 is equal to 0. This is the matrix A. A minus 6i means subtract 6 from the diagonal element, so we get 2 minus 6 is 2 minus 6, yes, it is right. 2 minus 6 is minus 4, minus 2, and then 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Yes, it is right. So x1 x2 is equal to 0. I have to make this element 0, so this is the row operation I am doing. Multiply this element by 2, so we get minus 4 here, and then subtract with r1, so that is 2r2 minus r1. So we get minus 4 minus 2 0 0 0, x1 x2 is equal to 0. So therefore reduced equation you write down: minus 4 x1 minus 2 x2 is equal to 0. So now if you take x2 is equal to k, so you will get a fraction for x1, so that I am taking x2 is equal to 2k in order to avoid the fraction. Okay, x2 is equal to 2k means, so here if I substitute x2 is equal to 2k, here we get 4k, that comes in RHS and becomes plus, so that the value of x1 becomes minus k. Therefore the eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda is equal to 6 is x2 is equal to minus k 2k. Taking k common we get minus 1 2 with the column vector is the eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda is equal to 6. ಒಂದು ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದು lambda is equal to 8 ಆಗಿದೆ. Make it correct. Lambda is equal to 6. Next you write down the non-singular matrix P. P is equal to x1 x2. ಸೊ ಅದು ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಕೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೀ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. therefore this is the matrix P 2 1. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ eigenvector x1, second column corresponding to the eigenvector x2. So this is the non-singular matrix P. So write down P inverse. P inverse ಬರೆಯೋದು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಹಿಂದೆ. ಈಗ ಈ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ದು ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಈ ಅದರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈನನ್ನು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. and 1 by 5 ಈ 5 ಯಾವುದು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಪಿ. ಇದು ಪಿ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇದು ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸು ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಇದು 5 ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಪಿ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈಂಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 by 5 ಇದು ಪಿ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸು, 1 by 5 ಇಂಟು ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಿ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್. ಎ is the given matrix, P we have determined here, this is the matrix P. Now multiply these three matrices one by the one after the other. So we get 1 by 5 multiplying first and second matrix, you will get 2 1 minus 6 12. Matrix multiplication, rule of matrix multiplication ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. First row into first column, so we get 2 2s are 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, and so on, and write down the last matrix as it is. Now again multiply these two matrices, you will get 1 by 5 times 5 0 0 30. So now divide each and every element of the matrix by 5, you will get this one 1 0 0 1. This is the diagonal matrix, and note that diagonal entries are the eigen values of the given matrix A. This process is called as the diagonalization of the real symmetric matrix, we say. Okay, thank you.